Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be creating our books page. So let's go over to our pages folder and create a new Python file, which I'm going to call all books page. This page is going to be just a class called all books page. You can call it catalog page if you prefer, any name is valid. This is just the name I'm going for, but you can change it. Now, this class is going to take in the entire HTML content and is going to parse it with beautiful soup. So in the init method, we're going to say self.soup equals beautiful soup of page content using the HTML parser. Of course, we'll need page content as an argument, as a parameter, and of course we'll need to import beautiful soup. Okay, make sure to have beautiful soup installed if you haven't done so already. Although if you've been following the last few videos, you should be fine. Now, once we do this, once we create a new object of type allBooksPage and we give it the HTML content, that's immediately going to use beautiful soup to create this soup variable or property. Then we can use that soup property inside any of the methods to do things like find stuff. So I'm going to create a property called books that is going to find all of the books using our locator. So notice how we're doing self.soup.select and not self.soup.select1. The select is going to select every instance of this locator that it can find. And again, this locator is going to be this entire thing. And there are many li tags in the page, one for each book. So this is going to give us a beautiful soup tag for each li tag on the page. Of course, we have to import our locators. So from locators, allBooksPage, import allBooksPage locators. And this is convention, by the way, in Python. I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but your imports from your local files should come underneath imports of other things. So if you're importing things from other projects that you've not created, those go at the top. Your imports go directly below them, and then you can put your code. And all imports always go at the top. Now, this is going to give us beautiful soup tags, but we don't want beautiful soup tags. We want to use our parser, which we've not created yet, in order to find some specific information from here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass in a book parser for E in this. Okay. All this is going to do is, again, iterate over all the tags that we find and is going to create a book parser object using that beautiful soup tag passing in as an argument to this constructor. So we have to, of course, go and create the book parser, but we've already done something very much like this in a previous video at the start of this section where we created a simple book parser class. So we're going to actually pretty much reuse that. So let's go into the next video and see what we can reuse from what we made in a few videos ago. I'll see you there.